So in today's episode we are going to talk about data types in SQLite. And first of all, keep in mind, in MySQL and SQL Server, you are going to find more data types that are going to help you to solve your problems in more sophisticated ways. SQLite keeps everything simple. So first data type that we worked with and that you learned, it's integer type. Integer, it's just whole number. That means number without decimal point. If you want to work with numbers with decimal point, you are going to use another type, a real data type. And I'm going to put comma in here and in here. So as I said, real is just a number that you are going to use decimal point with. So any number like 90,23 or something like that, that is a real type. And if you are not sure what kind of input you are going to get, integer or real, you are going to need another data type. I'm going to call it just in case, and it's going to be numeric. So once again, if you have no idea what kind of number you're going to get, you are going to use this data type, numeric. But from the perspective of memory, whenever you can avoid using numeric, avoid it. Use integer or real. Numeric only if it's absolutely necessary. Now, some text, type text. Simple as that. Whenever you are dealing with text, you are going to use text data type. And there is one more. Let's call it image of type blob. So what blob is? Blob is binary data. If your cell is going to contain some binary value, you are going to use this data type. So guys, as I said, this is one really simple topic. In SQLite you have only 5 data types that you can work with. And that is absolutely wonderful thing, especially if you are beginner into databases. So as I usually say, please like, subscribe, see ya!